everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Foodies channel, the best place for healthy nutrition tips and tricks and healthy recipes just like this one. If this is your first time joining us, consider subscribing to be a part of the Healthy Foodies family. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this super delicious potato pizza. If you have leftover potatoes and eggs and you just want something as nourishing, this recipe is definitely for you. So I went ahead and prepped my vegetables like spring onions. I added some green bell peppers, some onions, some carrots, and of course scotch bonnet peppers. As you would see in this video, I just cut them into very thin strips for this recipe. Once I was done prepping my vegetables, I went on to wash and peel my potatoes and boiled that until it was a little bit tender. It shouldn't be soft because we're still going to cook this again. What you want to do is you want to drain that and allow it to cool down completely, after which you would grate it just as you see me do in this video. Put that in a bowl, and in a separate bowl crack in 2 eggs. We're going to use 3 eggs for this recipe, but we're using 2 now because we want to mix that with the milk, and I'll show you when the third one will come in handy much later. So you mix that until it is smooth and the lumps are totally dissolved. You add that into your grated potatoes, add in some of the chopped vegetables, spring onion, then season that with some seasoning powder, some salt, and scotch bonnet pepper. Notice the consistency here is very thick, and you don't want this because your potato pizza is going to break, hence that additional egg. And you can see the consistency is better and it will hold firmer. So in a clean pan, add some vegetable oil and spread it around, and then add your mix. Also spread that around so that everywhere would be evenly cooked. Go in with the toppings of your choice. I used spring onion, green bell pepper, and some carrot. Press that in so that it will cook alongside the dough. Cook this on low heat and monitor it, guys. You don't want it to burn. Once it sets like this, you want to flip it over as gently as possible. This flipping space is really important, and also check occasionally so that it doesn't burn under. This was perfect. After a while, this is what you would get. It took approximately 15 minutes to make this from start to finish. Super quick, super easy, super yummy, and very healthy for you. Kindly note that the more potatoes you use, the more eggs you would require for this recipe. This means you can make as much as you want. You just have to pass the consistency test. It came out super delicious. If you would try this recipe out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notification bell for videos like this. Don't forget to nourish, flourish, and glow. I'll see you next time. Bye.